What is up, everybody? Just Karan Tillon here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have my friend Patrick with me.
Hi.
Okay. Today's video will be talking about house hacking. What is house hacking? How beginners in real estate can get started into investing in real estate, because we're standing right in front of Patrick's principal residence. That's the first ever property that Patrick bought. So stay tuned, smash that like button, and let's get it started. All right, you guys, now we're inside Patrick's property. Patrick, this is a two-story property, right?
Yep, this is a two-story home built in 1940s.
Okay.
It's got 3 bedrooms and 1 bath.
So, two-story home, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. We're in the main level of the house, which is right when you enter the house. So now, Patrick, let's tour the first story of this house.
So this is the main living room.
Okay.
And I was lucky enough to get this home fully renovated.
Wow.
Okay.
From a private investor who's
Okay.
actually from Vancouver. And she helped me understand a little bit about private deals and helped me get this home. And they actually developed all of Lindenwoods. So you can kind of see that they put a lot of love and care in this.
Yeah, see like the new vinyl planks here, right? You guys can see like really new flooring inside his property, right? Newly painted with that gray color scheme, right? That matches everyone, right?
Exactly.
Which like the real estate investors like to do. So now let's go to the
kitchen here.
Yeah.
Got one of my roommates and business partners here.
How's it going?
Like I said, I'm house hacking this home.
Okay.
And if you guys don't know, house hacking is where...
No. Don't
Hold up. Wait a minute.
let them know yet. We'll get into that. We'll get into that.
Awesome. So yeah, this is a little kitchen. Our little dining room area attached to the kitchen.
Oh, he does a lot of buying homes. Actually, Patrick just bought his 7th home, right?
Yeah.
His 7th place. Okay, could you talk about like the renovations, or was this all done when you bought it, or?
This was actually all done already.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, so I didn't have to do any renovations for this deal.
Okay.
Which is something I was looking forward to for the first one, because I didn't really have much experience with renovations. I really wanted something more turnkey for the first one.
Okay. So like all this that we guys can see here, like the flooring, the kitchen, everything was done.
Absolutely. All new windows, all new flooring, paint. All the appliances were brand new as well.
Okay.
So I didn't have to really spend anything other than buying the home.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay, Patrick, I know we said that this is a 3-bedroom, 1 washroom house, but I know, and I've seen your Instagram, which I'll put it right over here, that you work out a lot in your basement, right? So do you mind or showing me and the audience your gym?
Absolutely, let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
Sweet. Yeah, so this is a 1940s built home.
Okay.
Has a full basement, but it wasn't finished.
Yeah.
And what I really did was just start adding some stuff, especially during COVID, because they shut down the gyms.
Yeah.
I like to take care of my body. I think it's very important.
Yeah.
So I've kind of built a little bit of a home gym here. We got the mats here because I train Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, a little bit of grappling. So back when we could have a little bit more people over, we were doing a little bit of training here. Got the boxing bag, heavy bag behind you just there.
Yeah.
Picked it up on Kijiji.
Kijiji.
Yeah.
Hey, you're getting deals everywhere, eh?
They're awesome, yeah. Picked this up on Kijiji as well. So
Okay.
Just do a little bit of weightlifting as well.
Yeah.
And then this is one of my favorite machines.
And the dip and pull-up bar?
Dips, pull-up bars.
Okay. So you guys can see that Patrick completely turned around his basement into a home gym. He has everything here. So this is a pretty cool part that I wanted you guys to see, because I knew that he has his home gym here, but I wanted them to actually take a look at this and how they can change it around, right? So now let's go upstairs and show them the 3 bedrooms and the washroom, right?
That's good.
All right.
So this is the upstairs. You can see they put in some new carpets here. And then once we reach upstairs, we got the vinyl flooring again.
So we have the same kind of flooring throughout the whole house, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so that this is everything that the investor that you mentioned has done, right?
I didn't do any renovations in this home whatsoever.
Okay. This was also renovated from the flooring to like the tiles and everything?
Tiles and everything, yeah. So this is the washroom. Smaller washroom, just has the shower, the tub, vanity, and the toilet here.
Okay.
Awesome, and right now we're in my master bedroom, and we'll be going forward into the second bedroom here, which I was renting out.
Okay.
I was renting out this room.
So you're renting it out to the cat?
Yeah, right now it's
Jeffrey's. The cat is the tenant, right?
Yeah, he's the tenant right now. He gets a whole room because before, when I was house hacking, I actually had people in that room.
Okay.
But then they moved out, so now it's just an extra room.
Okay, so this is the first bedroom, right? That's the master bedroom where you used to stay, or that you actually stay here,
yeah.
right? And then that is room number 2, where the cat is the tenant right now,
yeah, exactly.
and he's paying rent, right?
Yeah.
Make sure he's not late.
Yeah.
Right? And now this is the third bedroom, right?
Yeah. So this is the third bedroom. Right now it acts as my office, and I think my girlfriend might be in here. Yeah.
Okay.
So she's just working on some stuff right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's where
Let's not disturb people
let's
that are
not
actually
disturb her.
productive.
Yeah. That's usually where I do my real estate business, coaching, consulting, and
Okay.
any other small business I do. That's kind of where I do all that.
Yeah.
Before, again, it was a bedroom that I was renting out.
Okay.
But right now I'm in the process of getting new tenants.
Yeah.
So unfortunately I'll lose a little bit of that space.
Yeah.
But we'll get some tenants here and then.
But basically you lose the space, but what you gain is cash flow, baby.
Exactly.
So now the main topic of this video is house hacking, right? So now we're gonna go downstairs and Patrick is gonna talk about what is house hacking, how does it work, how can you guys get started about buying a house, because this house hacking is the #1 strategy about how beginner real estate investors can get started, and is actually how Patrick you started as well, right?
Exactly.
So now let's go downstairs and talk about house hacking.
Follow me?
All right, Patrick. Now let's talk about the main topic of this video, which is house hacking, right?
Awesome. Yeah.
Could you explain to my audience what is house hacking? What are you doing with your property? And basically give them your 2 bits on what is house hacking and how they can do it as well.
Sure. So house hacking is essentially when you buy a home, usually with a 5% down first time home buyer's plan.
Yeah.
And since you can't make it a full rental right away,
Yeah.
what you can do is rent out the extra space, the extra rooms that you don't need. That's exactly what I did to house hack.
Yeah.
So I'd purchased my first home, the one we had just looked at,
Yeah.
for $262,000.
Okay.
And luckily enough, it got appraised at $272,000. So
Okay.
we made $10,000 on the buy.
Okay.
My mortgage payment was about $1,300 per month.
Okay.
And I essentially rented out those 2 bedrooms that you had seen upstairs.
Yeah.
And each room was about $600 to $700 because they get access to the whole house and all the amenities that are close to the house and everything that comes with renting out the house, not just a room.
Yeah.
Now, with this rent, I was essentially offsetting my mortgage. So now I'm living mortgage free, and I just got to handle a little bit of bills, but it's a lot better than paying $1,300 a month, which at the time was essentially half of my net income from my job.
Okay.
So instead of taking a 50% cut on my income,
Yeah.
because I'm paying for a mortgage,
Yeah.
I actually get to live for free and then provide a little bit of housing for some friends.
Okay. So would you say that house hacking and what we're talking about in this video, and the main reason why I wanted to show them your house, would you say that house hacking is one of the best strategies, or one of the most talked about strategies on how beginners can start investing in real estate?
Absolutely. I'm a true believer that house hacking is a great way for someone who may not have the full down payment for a full rental.
Yeah.
Because you're going to need about 25% down.
Yeah.
But if you can get a first-time home buyers, you only need 5% down.
Yeah.
Which is a fraction of the cost.
Yeah.
And you get experience becoming a landlord.
Okay.
Because in the beginning, it's a little bit difficult to build all the systems, but if you're house hacking, your tenants are in the same house as you, they're probably people you already have somewhat of a relationship with. They're just folks that want to live frugally or have cheaper rent, but
Yeah.
not necessarily live just on their own in like an apartment or something. They're
Yeah.
okay living with roommates, and it helps you save money. And usually you can offer rents that are way below market of what they can afford with just a single bed, single bath apartment or condo.